Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to change the default Google Drive account. Managing multiple Google accounts can sometimes be a bit tricky, especially if you want to have a specific one as your default across all your devices. This becomes even more important if you frequently switch between accounts for personal, work, or educational purposes. Having your preferred account set as the default can save you time and make your workflow smoother. Today, we'll guide you through a straightforward process to change your default Google Drive account, which is also referred to as your primary Google account. Let's get started on this simple step-by-step journey. First, we need to navigate to Google Drive. To do this, open your favorite web browser and type in drive.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google Drive homepage, where you can see all your files and folders organized neatly. It's like your personal cloud storage space, easily accessible from anywhere. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a circular profile icon here. This icon represents the Google account you are currently logged into. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with several options. In this menu, you'll want to find the option that says Sign Out of All Accounts. Click on it. This action will log you out from all the Google accounts you are currently signed into. This step is crucial because, to set a new default account, you need to start fresh and log back into your accounts in the correct order. Once you've signed out, you'll be redirected to a Google login page. Here, you'll be prompted to choose which account you want to use. This is a key moment. Select the account you want to set as your primary or default account. The first account you log into will automatically become the default account across Google services. So make sure to choose wisely based on your needs. After selecting your preferred account, you'll need to enter your password. This step ensures that your account remains secure and confirms your identity as the legitimate user trying to access the services. Once you've successfully logged in, you might think you're done, but there's one more step to complete the process. Return to the profile icon and click it once more. This time, we're going to sign back into your other accounts. With your preferred primary account now set and signed in, go ahead and add any other Google accounts you use regularly. You can do this from the same profile menu by selecting the option to Add Account. This way, you can switch seamlessly between accounts without changing the primary account you've just designated. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed your default Google Drive account. Remember, the first account you sign into becomes the default across all your Google services, so keep this order in mind for future adjustments. If you ever need to revisit any of these steps, feel free to do so. And if something doesn't quite work out as expected, don't hesitate to double-check your steps or look for additional help. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to change the default Google Drive account. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.